Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this screen flash animation in a CapCut mobile as your intro video effect. So here I have already imported my video, and to easily add a screen flash animations, just click on your video on the main track, then click on animation. Here under the in category, just swipe until you find this screen flash animation. So click on that. Here adjust the duration of the screen flash animation. Then when you're done, just click on the check icon. So after that, your video will look like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.